Welcome to Joe's Run Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're at the local RV dealership, and we're here to look at a Grand Design 22 MLE. Now this little trailer has lots to offer, so stay with me throughout the whole video so you can see all the fancy features and all the accessories that it has to offer. And this one's got a slide, so stay tuned folks, here it comes. Thank you again for joining me today folks on Joe's Random Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing this beautiful Grand Design, model number 22 MLE, a really nice little trailer with 23 feet of living space. It comes with that signature front cap, which is always recognizable as a Grand Design. This RV comes equipped with a power tongue jack, it's got dual propane tanks and dual batteries, so it's set up and ready to go. In the very front, you can see that there's a storage compartment. Now this storage is a through storage compartment, which gives you access from both sides of the RV. From this side of the compartment, you have access to your utilities, which is your water, your power, and other connections. As we move back, you can see that this has got a nice large slide. Now you'll get to see exactly what it encompasses once we get inside the RV. Behind the slide and on the wall of the RV is your hot water tank. Below that is going to be where your dumping station is. And you've got your gray and your black tanks down here. This RV comes equipped with 4 stabilizing jacks on all 4 corners of this RV. Stabilizing jacks do a great job with stabilizing and leveling your RV, so they're really nice to have. On the bumper of this RV, there's a place to store your dumping hose, which I really like. It really is a great place to store your hose. Usually I'll rinse it off, make sure it's clean, I take the cap off, I put the hose in, and I'm ready to go. I much prefer to store it in the bumper than having to put it in a bag and put it in the storage compartment. On the back of this Grand Design, you can see that there's a ladder, so it's actually a walkable roof. There are people that store different things on the roof, but definitely you have to make sure that your unit is equipped to be able to do that. This one's got a window in the back. To the right of the ladder is your furnace, and to the left of the furnace is where you plug in your power supply. There's a spare tire which is also attached to the bumper, and you've got LED lights all around. If you're getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. This Grand Design is equipped with dual axles and 14-inch tires all around. I'll be putting all the specs down about this RV down in the description page so you can check it out after the video. Now this is going to be one of my favorite options this RV has. It's equipped with this massive push button electric awning. It's so easy to operate and it protects you from the sun and the rain. I'm just going to open up this storage compartment so you guys can have a look at how much space there is. Look at all the space in here folks, there's a ton of room in here. And this storage compartment goes underneath the front bed, which you'll get to see once we get inside. The outside of this RV is actually set up pretty well. It's got the dual outside waterproof speakers. It's got lots of windows, so it lets in lots of natural light, and you'll get to see more of that. Now let's make our way inside. Now here's a diagram of the layout, which will give you a really good idea of what it looks like before we get inside. This RV is equipped with 3 folding steps and the supportive D-ring handle on the outside. As soon as I make my way inside this Grand Design, I see a walk-around queen-size bedroom area, which is really set up well. The space around the bed is actually fantastic. There's lots of room to walk around. There's cupboards all the way around. There's drawers on both sides. There's some reading lights there. And it even has some really great storage up top. And to keep an open concept feeling, Grand Design has put a curtain here just to give you that extra privacy if you wanted to draw it over to separate the bedroom area from the living space. And now I'm going to show you how much extra storage space there is underneath this bed. You pull the bed up, they're on hydraulic arms. There's a little drawer there that you can kind of slide over or you can take out. So it's a great place to store extra supplies. As I pan to the left, you can see where the slide is. There's a couch and half the kitchen is the slide. It's a great use of space and we'll get to have a closer look shortly. So before we do that, let's have a look at this dinette. This dinette is set up really well. You've got the entertainment center up top with some cupboards on the right. This dinette can fit 4 people quite comfortably. It also breaks down into a bed, so if you have kids or you have guests, this is a perfect spot. This couch, super comfortable. The kitchen is set up really well. I like the rear facing kitchen. It gives you so much more space. A longer slide with the kitchen area sure makes it feel and look a lot bigger in here. You've got your microwave, you've got your stovetop, And this RV is set up with the oven down below. As we take a closer look at this kitchen, this RV comes equipped with the High Point microwave oven. It has an adjustable Furrion fan, and it has the Furrion 3-burner stovetop and the matching oven. It sure is nice to see all the cupboards and the drawers. And what you don't see very often is counter space right beside the stovetop. It's really nice to have that extra space, especially in this area when you're trying to cook. That little bit of counter space does make a big difference. We've got a large Furrion fridge, which operates on propane and electricity. So this fridge will run when you're boondocking. If you're not plugged in, you can still run the power off of your batteries. If your RV is plugged into your home or at an RV park, you're just running off the power. It'll just switch over and you won't be using any propane. As we head to the very back and finish off the kitchen, you can see that this kitchen has a ton of cupboards. It's got more cupboard space, it's got more windows to let in that natural light. We've got a residential style faucet, and we've got a double sink. Now let's make our way to the bathroom. Now this is the one and only main bathroom. There's a medicine cabinet and mirror all in one up top. There's a single stainless sink with countertops that go to the left, gives you a little bit more counter space. There's cupboards down below. This bathroom is equipped with a cubbyhole style cabinets, which you can put towels and different other supplies if you need. On the wall there's a towel rack, and there's hooks for your towels, so that's a great place to hang things. And there's a full-size ceramic foot flush toilet. Moving to the right, we're going to have a look at this shower. There's a fantastic skylight there which lets in lots of natural light. You've got a really big shower here, folks. It's deep, it's wide, and there's tons of space. And it's got a retractable shower door. So in conclusion, I think this RV is laid out very, very well. It's definitely got the open concept that many people are looking for, and it certainly was an absolute delight to walk through this RV. I can definitely see that a lot of thought was put into this RV, the style, the way it's been laid out. I definitely noticed the high quality of the fit and finish in this RV. That says a lot about the manufacturer. It's hard to choose an RV these days, and it's even harder to find a quality RV. My suggestion to people is always the same. Have a layout in your mind, take your time, and when you do find that RV you're looking for, you'll know it. So if you're in the market for an RV, don't overlook the Grand Design, because this could be the RV for you. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you'd like to see more videos on smaller compact RVs, you can click on this link right here. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. We'd love to have you on board. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.